Understanding gray clouds in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common English phrase, gray clouds. You might have seen this phrase in books, heard it in songs, or even used it in daily conversation. But what does it really mean? Let's dive into the world of weather-related metaphors and explore the meaning and use of gray clouds in English. When we look at the sky and say, gray clouds, we're describing the color and appearance of the clouds. Gray clouds are often associated with overcast skies and can indicate that rain or a storm might be on the way. In English, mentioning gray clouds is a clear way to set the scene for a gloomy or rainy day. Beyond the literal sense, gray clouds can have a symbolic meaning. In literature and everyday language, gray clouds often represent sadness, trouble, or worry. If someone says they're under gray clouds, they might mean they are experiencing a difficult or emotional time. Gray clouds can also be part of idiomatic expressions or sayings. For example, every cloud has a silver lining, suggests that even a situation that seems bad, like gray clouds in the sky, can have a positive aspect. It's important to understand these expressions to fully grasp the emotional and cultural nuances of English. To get comfortable using this phrase, let's practice with some examples. The forecast says there will be gray clouds all week. I've had nothing but gray clouds in my life recently, but I'm hoping for sunshine soon. Despite the gray clouds in the market, investors remain optimistic. Try creating your own sentences with gray clouds to describe the weather or how you feel. Thank you for watching our video on gray clouds. We hope you now understand both the literal and figurative uses of this descriptive phrase. Keep practicing, and don't let any gray clouds in your English learning journey keep you from reaching your goals. Until next time, keep learning and stay positive.